everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Eunice if you're new here. So this is the last of my holiday series and we are finishing it off with the ultimate holiday gift guide. Whether you're only able to shop online this year and whatever your budget may be, I've got you covered. So I'm going to be splitting this video timeline into 5 parts, starting with gifts under $10 and then going up to $20, $50, and $100, and then lastly a little section for you DIYers. So feel free to jump forward. There's 50 items on here that I want to try to cover under 10 minutes, so let's just jump straight in. So we're kicking it off with the one thing that you can never ever go wrong with, which are chocolates. There's a ton of nicely packaged chocolates pretty much everywhere, like Target, Walmart, Costco, or even online on Amazon. I think these are great non-overwhelming gifts for people like the mailman, your school teachers, or even your relatives. Next, I found these really cute leather cord organizers on Etsy. They have 12 different colors and these are handcrafted, and I think these look so cute and are great for stocking stuffers. Moving on, I think photo frames and displays are a great sentimental gift. I have 2 that I recommend. One is this set of 4 cube Polaroid holders that I think are so cute, and I also recommend a floating frame because they're just so pretty by themselves that you can even offer it as a gift without a photo in it. Around this time, a lot of brands come out with little small beauty and self-care items, and they're packaged really prettily. I was just at TJ Maxx yesterday and ended up picking up this nail polish combo. They also had like little beauty blenders and lip balm sets. For the self-care items, they had like jade rollers, facial scrubbers, and hair turbans, and also a men's grooming kit, and I think these are great for stocking stuffers. And speaking of beauty, I was on Etsy and I found these reusable makeup remover face wipe pads, which I think are so pretty and great for your eco-friendly friend. Next, we've got cozy socks. You can never go wrong with these, and they are an essential for the winter time. And I found these on Etsy and they're just so pretty by themselves that I think they work great as standalone gifts. Next, we have got a paint by numbers. I just found out about this from a friend and I immediately knew that it would be a great gift. I found one under $10 on Amazon, and there's a variety of artworks that you can choose from. I am a natural soap lover. Natural soaps come in so many different colors and scents, and you can also wrap them really prettily yourself using like craft paper or even a basket. Next, we've got linen produce bags. These are probably something that I wouldn't buy for myself, but I would love to receive as a gift. I think these are great for that eco-friendly friend or someone who enjoys farmers markets, or even someone who lives in the city and walks to get their groceries done. I think mouse pads are a great gift, and there's plenty on Etsy that are of quality, like this felt one I found online and this other personalized one where you can get the initial stitch on the pad. I think these are great for the remote worker or maybe somebody who just started a new job, or even students who are now studying at home. These next 2 are great for the bullet journaler or the one who uses their planners a lot. The first one is this zebra highlighter pack on Amazon. They come in 5 different colors and I have these at home. They are so great. And then the second gift idea is a washi tape set. I think these could also go well together if you want to create a little bundle, but because they are variety packs, they're also great for standalone gifts. During these times, masks are a great gift, and there's plenty of options now online with different materials and patterns, and I'm also seeing a bunch of mask accessories like cases and chains. I think that most people won't buy themselves a really nice mask, but if you gift it to them, they'll definitely be using it. Next, we've got coasters. I found these resin ones on Etsy, which you can also totally DIY yourself, but these are so pretty on their own. Tech accessories like AirPod cases, Apple Watch straps, or even phone cases are a great practical gift, and they're actually a lot more affordable than you might think. I found several on Etsy, online on Amazon, and there's always a little tech accessory section in stores like TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls. Mugs are a classic. There's specific ones for like teachers and moms, and I also saw some with like different zodiac signs at Nordstrom Rack, and I think these were so cute and added a very nice personal touch. And while I was at Nordstrom Rack, I also found this 6-sided grater. I don't ever grate when I'm cooking in the kitchen, but I still appreciated this, so I definitely think someone who likes to cook would like it a lot. We're moving on to the under $20 list, starting it off with this really unique piece, which is a national park scratch-off map. This is great for that outdoorsy traveler, friend, or family. Next, I found this DIY macrame kit on Etsy, and I think this is a great gift for the crafty friend, and it comes with just the essentials that you need to do your first macrame. Moving on to another home decor gift, which is the sienna stoneware vase from thelonefox.com. This is only $14, and these look so beautiful by themselves that but I think they make really nice quality gifts. Next, we've got reusable bags from Bagu. These definitely look really hip and they come in so many different colors and patterns. Next, we've got subscription services. I highly recommend Audible for audiobooks. On their website, you can choose different gift packages that you want to send, and you can also choose the delivery date for them. They have options for 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, and 1 month, the cheapest one being the 1 month at $15. Moving on to this pyramid jewelry stand on Etsy. This is about $20, and what I love about this pyramid is that it doubles as a dainty decor piece. And speaking of jewelry, this next one is also from Etsy. They are polymer clay earrings, and these are so pretty. Like, each earring is a work of art, so I think these are definitely a great gift. And lastly, for my under 20 list are art kits. I saw several at TJ Maxx. They had like acrylic sets and color pencil sets, and there's definitely a ton online as well, and this is definitely great for that artist friend or family. Moving on to the under 50, starting with a croissant ring. It's a budget alternative to the higher priced one that's on Majuri. I think this is such a nice, trendy, fashion-esque gift. Next, I've got this natural linen apron. These come in 4 different colors on Etsy, and I think this is such a nice, simple gift for someone who likes to cook. These ones come with giant pockets, which is always a plus, and adjustable straps. I'm noticing a trend in giftable puzzles, and these ones that I found from jiggypuzzles.com are so pretty. I love the selection of artworks that they provide, and they're also really nice as wall decor pieces when you're done putting the puzzles together. These next 2 are books. The first one is Obama's new Promised Land book. I just started listening to it and it's really good so far. I hear that this is more like a memoir, and I highly recommend this not just as a read for yourself, but also as a gift for someone you know will be cozying up this winter and reading. And another great book gift is an interior design one. I think these are great as sources of inspiration, but they also work really nicely as coffee table decor pieces. I've got another jewelry holder. This one is from Urban Outfitters and it's more travel friendly. I love how practical it is. It's very compact. It contains a mirror and it can really hold all kinds of jewelry. I think a planner is a very thoughtful gift as a new year approaches, especially for the student or the career person. I'm a huge fan of the Passion Planner. They offer all kinds of layouts in different sizes. Next, I've got board games. I have 2 that I recommend. The first one is Splendor, which is a much easier game to pick up, and the next one is called Binding of Isaac. This is my current favorite game. It's an indie board game based off a video game, and basically you get to control a character and fight monsters, and whoever gets to 4 souls first wins. Moving on, we've got vegan magnetic lashes from Glamnetic. These are made of foam ink and they come with an eyeliner that basically is magnetic and holds the lashes together. I think this is such a cool gift. These last a really long time and any lash lover would totally appreciate it. Lastly, for the under $50 list, I've got these leather slippers, and you can also customize the text that's on the slippers. We're moving up to the under $100 list. The first one is this anti-gravity kit from Honeybell. It comes with a facial roller, a gua sha tool, and a facial oil, and it's packaged nicely in this little bag. And I think this is a great luxury self-care kit to gift. So you've got yoga mats. You can definitely find yoga mats in different price ranges, but I think a quality one is a great gift for the yogi or fitness lover. I invested in this one a couple years ago and it's still my favorite mat. Which leads me to the next, which are workout packages. There's plenty of options online, like on ClassPass. There's one at Barry's Bootcamp where you can take virtual classes, and also virtual dance classes on Steezy.co. I had to include this because it is such a cute gift piece. This one was found on Etsy. It's a stoneware coffee pour over, and it has the prettiest organic speckles design with stars on it. This is great for that coffee lover who's likely to buy a Chemex. Next, I've got this orthopedic dog bed from Etsy. I think this is perfect as a gift for your own dog or for your dog owner friend or family. Next, we've got this cherry wood desk organizer. This is great for the remote worker or the student, and I love how you can get this engraved for just $10 more. I think this is such a great functional piece with a sleek design, and it can fit all kinds of stuff like a coffee mug, pen, and even little notepads. I think a keyboard is a nice gift too. I'm seeing a lot of people get into customizing their keyboards on YouTube, and having a nice desk setup is definitely an essential given that a lot of people are now working or studying remotely. And lastly, for the under $100 list, I've got a really practical gift idea, which is a car battery charger. And I think this is a great gift for somebody who owns a car, especially if you know someone who just got a new car. I definitely had to include some DIY ideas in this video, and here are some of my favorite ones that I found on Pinterest. The first one is this super easy decorative wooden bead garland. These are actually quite pricey if you try to buy them in stores, but so much more affordable to make at home. You could even buy a kit with a variety of wooden beads and make several for different people. Next, we've got another jewelry holder. I mentioned a couple in this video, but you can totally DIY one yourself. I think this rattan one looks so pretty as a holder and also as a decor piece. Next, we've got flower candles. You can totally elevate your DIY candles by waxing on some dried flowers around the edge, and I think these look so pretty and lovely as a gift. Moving on, potpourris are a great alternative to candles. They're a great way to scent up a room, and I think these are great as stocking stuffers, but also as little guest gifts if you're setting up a dining table for a holiday dinner. Next, we got another gift that is nice in a jar, which are bath salts. You can really get creative here with different kinds of flowers and essential oils. And again, I think these are great as stocking stuffers as well. And lastly, we've got framed recipes. As you may have noticed, I love a dual function gift. I think this is such a thoughtful way of sharing your favorite recipes to your loved ones and also framing it nicely so that they can use it as a decor piece in their kitchen or around their home. So those were it for my 50 gift ideas. I really hope I was able to cover this in 10 minutes. I'll make sure to link all the items that I mentioned in the description box below, and let me know in the comments if you'll be getting any of these items this year or if you have any cool ideas for me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see more DIY and home decor related videos from me. And when you do, make sure you hit that bell next to it so you're notified when I upload future videos. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well to keep up with my project updates. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.